welcome to my channel. Blazing acceleration on V8 models, exotic looks, promises of a premium cabin. Low price, backseat space, confusing infotainment interface. Verdict: with a 4-seat cabin and excellent performance, the AMG GT is the great white shark of luxury sedans. With room for 4 passengers and outstanding performance, the AMG GT is the great white of luxury sedans. Review: the 2023 Mercedes AMG GT sedan combines the performance and looks of a 4-door. Mechanically, it's based more on the E-Class wagon than the GT sports car, but it handles like a 2-seater. The GT43 and GT53 straight-sixes have plenty of muscle, but this twin-turbo V8 GT63 is a top predator. Handling is satisfyingly sporty for such a large vehicle and excellent in its most aggressive trims. The fact that it can be enjoyed by 3 passengers is a plus. Despite the car's performance, it does not skimp on luxury. The interior is beautifully decorated with quality materials and equipped with modern facilities. Rear seat room here isn't as large as in the E63 sedan, but the GT's low rear seat ceiling makes up for that shortcoming with an exotic feel. What's new in 2023? The V8-powered GT63 and GT63-S return in 2023 after a 1-year hiatus. This high-performance version of the GT sedan receives the same styling updates that the GT43 and GT53 received last year. Also, the top-model GT63 SE Performance has 830 horsepower. It is connected in series with the plug-in hybrid source. Prices and what to buy. We recommend the mid-range GT53 for its high power and enjoyable driving experience. The heated and comfort package adds a heated steering wheel, heated front armrests and momentary heating elements for the front seats. The driver assistance package is attractive with the addition of various technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring. The 630 horsepower GT63S, on the other hand, seduced us the last time we drove it. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood, both the GT43 and GT53 have a powerful 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine with a turbocharger, intercooler, electric charger, and small electric motor. From a standstill, the electric and turbocharged motor makes up for the short delay in torque delivery before reaching full throttle. Combined with the GT53, the 429 horsepower 3.0-liter engine breaks its neck under acceleration. In our test, the GT53 with the conventional 9-speed automatic reached 62 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, and the sport suspension provided crisp, responsive turn-in and sporty handling. The GT63 and GT63S are powered by a 4.0-liter V8 engine. This V is a marvel of technology with dry oil, direct injection, and twin turbochargers. This increased to 575 horsepower in the GT63 and 630 horsepower in the GT63S. This model also has a 9-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and air suspension. In our test, the GT63S needed just 2.9 seconds to reach 100 km per hour. As fast as a Porsche Panamera Turbo. A more powerful GT63 SE Performance plug-in hybrid model has been confirmed for 2023 and will use a rear-mounted electric motor to increase combined output to 830 horsepower. Anywhere you have to worry about asphalt. Actual fuel economy and MPG. With performance at these extremes, it's no wonder the Mercedes AMG GT sedan is thirsty, but EPA fuel economy estimates aren't as bad as you'd expect. Both the GT43 and GT53 are rated at 19/25 mile per gallon city/highway. The GT53 model returned 27 miles per gallon on our 75-mile highway fuel economy test. Reviews of the twin-turbo V8 have yet to be released. For more information on GT fuel economy, see the EPA website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Much of the GT's interior is shared with Mercedes' other 4-door coupe, the CLS, but the large console between the seats appears to be borrowed from the GT sports car. It's a little intrusive, but it gives the cockpit a sporty feel. The interior design is generally futuristic and visually interesting, but some ergonomics can take some getting used to. It also seats 4, which may be a problem for some families. Aggressively bolstered sport seats are standard and comfortable, while the thick, cushy steering wheel, aluminum trim and digital instrument cluster match the cabin's strong mission. The build quality is excellent and the materials match the AMG price. The rear seats of this hatchback and GT coupe can be folded down to increase cargo space. Useful if you want to pick up 2 to 4 vehicles at your local Lowe's. With the rear seats in place, there's 12.7 cubic feet of space in the rear seat cargo area. That's good enough in most cases, but the Porsche Panamera offers more. Infotainment and connectivity. Unfortunately, while the AMG infotainment system offers excellent performance, it can be complex and inconvenient to use. Plus, it has a large 12.3-inch screen, and Apple CarPlay integration is standard, along with wireless charging and navigation. Onboard Wi-Fi is available along with a rear seat central touchscreen. There are 3 USB ports on the front and 2 more on the back. Warranty and maintenance. Backed by a 4-year or 50,000-mile warranty, the Mercedes AMG GT offers the same standard coverage as all other Mercedes cars and SUVs. Covers the warranty period for Porsche Panamera and BMW 8 Series models. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button. Thanks.